Yo, what is up guys, Tomzon here, back again with a new video. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the brand new F1/Benny's merge glitch in GTA 5 Online. So this is how you do it. Requirements. So these are going to be all of the requirements you're going to need for this Benny/F1 merge glitch to work for you. And if you don't know what a donor car is or don't know how to make one, make sure you watch this video up here. I just pretty much show you guys how to make your own donor car and as well explain what a donor car is. So go watch that video right there and then come back once you have your own. So just make sure you have all of these requirements you see up on screen, and let's go ahead and begin. If you want to go and get yourself a modded account with billions of dollars for cheap, make sure you go and check out Messy Modding. They can even boost your current account with money levels, modded cars, modded outfits, and more. So if you want to go and check out what they can offer you, then make sure you go and check out the link down below in the description, and let's get into it. Step 1. First thing you need to go ahead and do is head over to the Maze Bank Arena right over here and make sure you go ahead and pretty much have your donor car with you. So for me, it's going to be this vehicle right here. Next up, come over to interaction menu, come over to your map blip options right over here, and come over to jobs and just make sure every single one of these here say show, and pretty much go ahead and run up these stairs and come over to the ticket booth. All you want to do now is go and press right D-pad, and once you press right D-pad, you'll be on the screen just like this. Now once you're on the screen, you want to have your friend that's inside of the LS car meet to go ahead and start up a missions job. So this should be their POV right here, so this is what they need to go ahead and do. So what they want to do is open up their pause menu, come over to online, jobs, play job, rocks are created, and then come over to missions and start any one of them up. Does not matter which one, just start any. And once you're inside of the mission, all you want to do now is go ahead and send the person that's over at the Maze Bank an invite to the job. And all you want to do now, once you send them that invite, go and press B or circle once and just stay on this alert until further notice. Now the person over at the Maze Bank, what you want to go ahead and do is accept that invite from them that they just sent you right now. Accept it and you should get this alert right here. Go and wait on it. Now what you two want to go ahead and do now is pretty much accept both of your alerts at the same exact time. And then when you do accept it, you should hear 3 booms just like this. And when you hear the third boom, all you want to do is go and press A or X to go ahead and accept it. And pretty much when you load back in, you should have no minimap. Now, if you do load back in and you do have a minimap, or you load into the arena world job, that's because you guys messed up on the timing and you just have to redo it again. But basically, once you have no minimap, you want to have your friend over at the LS car meet to send you an invite to the LS car meet through the interaction menu. And now we can go ahead and begin modding our vehicles. Step 2. Once you're back into the LS car meet, you want to open up the interaction menu, come over to your vehicles and then request personal vehicle, and now your donor car that was over at the Maze Bank Arena should now be inside of the LS car meet. So now that your donor car is inside of the LS car meet, you want to have whoever's helping you out to go ahead and send you a sprint job invite. So they can do it by coming over to their interaction menu, LS car meet, and then sprints right over here, and they can start it up and send you an invite. Now once you get the invite, go and accept it through your phone, and all you want to do now is go ahead and load up into the job. Now that you're inside of the sprint job, you want to register yourself up as a CEO and head over to the nearest Los Santos Customs, which is going to be right up the street over here. Now as you're getting closer to Los Santos Customs, you want to go and request yourself up a buzzard from your CEO. So just come over to your CEO and then CEO vehicles and then buzzard right over here, request it, and make sure it spawns in by looking around and see where it spawns in. So for me, it's right behind me, there it is. So once the buzzard spawns in, all you want to do now is head over to your Los Santos Customs and pretty much drive your donor car into it just like this. Once you're inside of the Los Santos Customs, you want to go and press B once to go ahead and have this option right here, and now go ahead and hold Y or triangle to respawn. Now when you respawn, you will get this infinite black loading screen, and all you want to do now is go ahead and join up on Anahuac. So just go and press join game on them, and once you do, go and accept the first alert and then decline the second alert, and you will get a third alert. Just go and press OK on that one, and you should see your donor car has now disappeared and you're on foot. So all you want to do now is head over to your buzzard and pretty much get into it. And once you get into your buzzard, go and fly far away, and when you fly far away, you should teleport you back over to the Los Santos Customs just like this. Now once you teleport back, all you want to do now is go ahead and find wherever your yacht is located at. For me, it's going to be located over here, so I'm going to head over to it and I'll meet you guys there. Now as you're getting closer to your yacht, all you want to do is go and call up your captain. So just come over to your phone, contacts, and captain, and once here you should pick up, and you want to go and come over to request personal vehicle. And all you want to do now is request the car that you want to mod. So this could be any car as long as it can fit into Los Santos Customs. So for me, I'm going to go and call up the brand new car that was added to this DLC, which is going to be this vehicle right here. And pretty much once you call up the vehicle that you want to mod, open up the map and find if it spawns in. Once it spawns in, go and hold Y or triangle now to respawn. And when you respawn, you will respawn in that car that you just called up with the modifications from your donor car. So everything from your donor car is now transferred to this vehicle. So what you want to do next is to go and open up your map, come over here to this exact job on the map right over here, and all you want to do now is go and start it up. Now once you start it up, come over to your friends and just go and join up on Anowak, just do join game on him, and you want to accept the first alert and then decline the second alert, and it should now teleport you over to this Los Angeles Customs nearby. All you want to do now is just walk over to the job again, press right D-pad on it once, and now just going back out of it once you're inside of the job, and when you load back in, you will see that your car is now next to you, and all you have to do now is go ahead and get into the car and drive into the Los Angeles Customs, which is right in front of us. And all you want to do now is go and change one thing on the vehicle. I recommend you change the armor because it scratches nothing on the vehicle, which is a good thing. And pretty much once you change the armor, you're good to go. The car is now saved and you can mod another one. And if you want to know how to get white joggers in GTA 5 Online, watch this video right here and take care.